Welcome to Curious Mindset. Today, we enter a neon-charged Valorant-style world where plants unleash their most powerful ability, photosynthesis. In this glowing futuristic battlefield, a high-tech agent steps forward to reveal how plants transform sunlight, water, and air into living energy. Let's dive deep into this radiant neon leaf, where a hidden sci-fi ecosystem constantly works behind the scenes to keep plants alive. Every plant relies on three essential resources: blazing sunlight, refreshing water pulled from the soil, and carbon dioxide breathing through the air. A golden sunlight beam blasts the leaf like a phoenix ability, activating the plant's inner solar grid and filling it with raw energy. Inside the leaf, chlorophyll crystals ignite with emerald light, capturing the sunlight and converting it into vibrant power. Energy surges across the leaf like an ultimate ability charging to full, spreading brilliant waves of glowing strength through every cell. Deep beneath the surface, water is absorbed by the roots and begins its glowing blue journey upward, ready to fuel the reaction. This water rushes upward through the stem's tiny channels, flowing like a futuristic energy stream powering the plant from within. High above, carbon dioxide particles drift toward the leaf and enter through tiny mechanical gates known as stomata. Once inside, glowing pathways guide the carbon dioxide directly toward the chloroplasts, massive neon reactors prepared to transform it. Inside each chloroplast lies a sci-fi reactor chamber where the plant prepares to convert pure energy into life-supporting food. With sunlight energy absorbed, the plant splits water molecules apart in a flash of neon blue and green light, releasing hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen escapes the leaf like a glowing burst of energy, rising into the air as the fresh oxygen we breathe every single day. Hydrogen stays inside, secured in glowing containment pods, waiting for the final fusion that will create the plant's powerful fuel. In a blazing energy chamber, hydrogen and carbon dioxide collide and merge, forming a brilliant fusion of shimmering particles. From this glowing reaction, glucose is born, a radiant golden orb that becomes the plant's main source of food and survival. This glucose travels through the plant's veins like shining golden circuits, bringing growth, strength, and life to every part. The entire process is a perfect equation: sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide transformed into glucose and fresh oxygen. Photosynthesis is nature's ultimate ability, powering plants, creating oxygen, and keeping our world alive. Stay curious with Curious Mindset.